Hey, what's your name? Kobe.
Yes.
How old are you, Kobe?
3.
You're 3. Wow. When's your birthday?
It's only little bit 15.
Oh, October 11th, 2015. That's awesome. What are you doing?
I just cut my play.
Are you working on your clock?
Yeah, yeah.
Do you know how to tell time?
It's 12. It's 9 o'clock.
Almost.
It's 12 o'clock.
Look, almost.
It's
You have
5
to put
o'clock.
both of the hands on the 12.
It's 12. Ah!
Wow, that's so cool. Can you show me some of your toys?
Yeah, I got this and this.
Whoa, what's that?
And loop-a-loop.
It's a loop-de-loop.
Yeah.
You're funny. Are you a comedian?
Yes.
You are. Do you have any other toys you want to share?
Yeah.
What do you have?
I have
Whoa, what's that?
ABC.
Those are ABCs?
Yeah.
I have an idea. Can you say your ABCs?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. That time won't you at me?
Whoa, yay, Kobe. Good job. That's awesome.
And I got this.
You have that one. What's that? Do you have 2 clocks?
Yeah.
Wow. Looks like we're missing some pieces. Oh, no. Oh,
We're missing heart. Look.
no. We're missing the heart, too. Looks like we're going to have to go on a hunt.
Oh no, we're missing D and E and I and J and K and O and N and W and R and N and K and I and J and I.
Oh, no.
And
I
Q.
think we've got a little cookie monster that's stealing our pieces. What are we going to do?
I have an idea.
What's your idea?
Abracadabra.
Abracadabra. It's not there yet. I think we've got to work on our skills. Our magic skills.
Yeah, I got down there.
Under the bed.
Yeah,
What?
I showed you here.
Oh no, Kobe.
Yeah.
That's not it. That's Play-Doh. We've got Play-Doh on the ground.
Look, we got
And a
Lego.
pen.
We got Lego. Look.
And Legos. Oh no.
I got some down there.
Are you sure?
Yeah, look.
I think we're going to have to save this search for next time. Can you say bye-bye?
No, wait.
Oh, wait.
Mommy,
Yeah?
we have more down there.
I don't see it.
Yeah, I checked. Yeah.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Say see you next time.
See you next time.